Welcome to Josephcinaale, where we bring the world to your kitchen. Today, we're cooking up a storm with a classic favorite, chicken curry Filipino style. This rich, flavorful dish has won hearts around the globe, and we're here to show you how to make it from scratch. Here are the ingredients you'll need. You see on screen the complete list of the ingredients and correct measurement. Now, let's start cooking. Heat the cooking oil in a pan. Add minced garlic and sauté until golden brown. Add the chopped onion and stir gently about 15 to 20 seconds to become translucent. Now, let's add our curry powder. Stir well and let the spice cook for around 1 minute. Add our chicken to the pan. Stir to mix all the spice to the chicken. Let's just cover it for a while, so that the juice of the chicken meat comes out. Add our sliced ginger lengthwise. This is what gives fragrance to what we are cooking today. Let's just mix thoroughly so that the taste of curry can be absorbed into our chicken meat. Let's pour our coconut milk to the pan. I put 1 cup of water in the pan. I just forgot to video it. So the milk suddenly increased in our pan if you noticed. Add oyster sauce. It adds savory flavor to our dish. Add chicken cubes. It's add extra flavor of chicken soup taste to our dish. Let's cover and simmer about 5 to 10 minutes to tenderize our chicken meat. Now, let's add our sliced carrots and sliced potatoes to the pan. Cover and let it cook a few minutes on a medium flame until the carrot and potatoes are cooked. When the potatoes and carrots are cooked, add the red bell pepper and chili long green necks. Stir gently so that all ingredients well mix together. Let's just cover it for a while to cook the red bell pepper a little, and we'll season it later. Let's season with salt, black pepper, and brown sugar to balance the taste. Let's taste it. Yummy. And there you have it. A mouth-watering chicken curry Filipino style that's sure to impress. Serve it with a hot rice or naan, and enjoy the explosion flavors. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more delicious recipe. Until next time, happy cooking.